So now the war has started. Lord Subramania has come to the war field. So all his efforts of sending messenger for peace, he had sent Veerababu, everything was futile. So Surabhadman, with his arrogance, ego and his anger, he rejected everybody and he was even planning to kill Veerababu. But Veerababu has the power of blessings of Lord Subramania. He escaped and he came back. So now everybody has come to the war field. So Surabhadman has a lot of family members. So he has his son, as all of you know, Vanugopan, his two brothers, Gajamugaswaran, Simhamugaswaran. So they are all very fond of his brother. And they were also, covered with arrogance and anger because of the upbringing of his brother. So they all are ready for the war without knowing again. They still don't know who has come to the war. So they are all getting ready for the war. So Surabhadman thinks, okay, there is some small boy who has come to fight with him, and he doesn't need to even come to the war field. So he sent Gajamugaswaran. So normally kids are afraid of elephants, right? Gajamugaswaran, elephant face, right? He is an asuran with an elephant face. So he thought he can scare the kid and they will all run away. But he doesn't know who has come to the war field. So now Gajamugaswaran comes, he fights, and of course, he dies. So that's the event that we are going to have now, and then we will talk about the remaining event after that. Vel Vel Muruga, Vel Vel Muruga, Vetri Vel Muruga, Vel Vel Muruga, Vetri Vel Muruga, Vel Vel Muruga. So now Gajamugaswaran is killed. So now Surabhatman is shaken a bit. Nobody can destroy his brothers. And we will say, okay, what that person has done is wrong, so I have to give it back. That's the same thing. Every signal, why people are honking. Simple, right? So that's the same thing. So he did wrong, he honked, I honked. So that's the same mindset Surabhatman was, and he couldn't think further. He thought, it's okay, it's a coincidence that his brother got.
Dear devotees, BMW 8.
வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு.
So now